Hi everyone, let's make Tuwon Shinkafa or rice swallow in English. So first of all, you're going to bring a pot of water to a boil. Then you're going to add in your soaked, washed white rice. We call this Shinkafa tuwo in Hausa. After that, you're going to cover and allow it to cook until the rice is all mushy, soft, and ready to mix or to stir. I don't know the right word to use, but took our day. So I'll be using my cooking spoon to just keep stirring, just like you will do your semo, and just keep stirring until the rice is all broken, soft, and you get a texture, somewhat like texture like this. So after that, you're going to just cover everything, allow it to simmer more for another like 5 minutes, and your tool is ready. But before that, I'm going to just beat it up again and package. So to package this, I'm just going to be using cling film. You can use normal nylon for this and you're good to go. The best soup to pair tuwon shinkafa with is either peanut soup, and taushe, but also fresh okra soup is also nice with tuwon shinkafa. So will you try this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.